Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if you want to download TinyTask on mobile. Now the problem over here is that TinyTask is something that is specifically made for a laptop, so you'll be able to download and use this on your laptop. As you can see, TinyTask mobile download. You don't get a mobile version to download it from. This is the official link, and in the official link you can download this on your PC, as this is specifically a PC only app. As you can see, its supported operating system is Windows OS. Now if you want to use TinyTask or something similar, the only thing you can do over here is you can go to your Play Store or App Store, and from there you can search up TinyTask. And once you search up TinyTask, you'll see alternatives of the application which you can go ahead and use. As you can see in the Play Store, I have searched up TinyTask right here, and these are all of the alternatives that they have. For example, AG AutoClicker, then you have ClickMate, you have AutoClicker, and you have so many other alternatives to TinyTask, and you can use and try one of these apps which will work similarly if not the same, because TinyTask is simply an application that you can use on your PC or laptop, as they have not built it for your phone. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.